Okay, so what I want you to do is before you watch the main video that you're going to take notes on, I just want to tell you there's one little issue, is the item I have you do, the help desk, is not working on our textbook, so I'm going to have you do the one called software, okay? So just know in this video when I walk you through how to get to this buying and installing software, make sure you follow this one just for how to find the one we're going to do just called software. Okay, so in our book, right? So in the book, so here we are in chapter 4. I want to click on the first item. And if you scroll down through here, you're going to see the one that I talk about in the video. But unfortunately, what will happen is if you do that, you get this error. And the publisher is working on it, but until they fix it, no problem, because we can do another one that's actually along the same veins and probably in some ways is better. So I'm going to go back to 4. I'm going to click on the first item, and this time I'm going to scroll past the buying and selling software. Scroll all the way down until I see choosing software. And this is good. This one actually works. If you click on the simulation, give it a second. And so it's the same idea of you're going to work through the entire thing, and I talk about that in the other video, so I'm not going to go over that again because you can follow that instruction for how to do that. I'm going to mute because it's going to start talking to me, but you'll work through that in there, right? So I just want to tell you, heads up on this one about that. Make sure you get into the right one. And I talk about DevFest in this one, but I've given you a link to our current DevFest for this semester. It's going to be awesome. We're going to have, I think, 3 or 4 people from Google. So if tech is your thing and you want to do this, you know, come see me or talk to me about a way I could help you get there. Okay? All right, so now at this point what you want to do is go ahead and check this out, because this is the one that you'll take notes on, because again, class topics, help desk, and lab test, and you'll want to watch this, take a few notes, make sure you get into the right area like I showed you, and then watch this last video and take notes. And I know this video is a little dry, I get it, but it's really important to understand because our lab test is coming up and I want you to conceptually have in your head how this thing works. Okay? All right, talk to you later.